Currently in your area, 52 degrees, under cloudy skies. The forecast for your area. Your extended forecast.
The forecast key messages for North and Central Texas. Wintry precipitation is expected to begin as early as Friday afternoon and will continue through Sunday morning. Associated travel impacts will likely linger into at least Monday. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 5 to 10 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Extreme cold will become life-threatening to people and animals, especially Saturday and Sunday nights. Very cold temperatures will increase the risk of broken pipes and water damage due to a prolonged period of sub-freezing temperatures late Friday through Tuesday. Final preparations for the impending winter weather need to be completed today. Issued at 1:28 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. Friday to noon Central Standard Time Sunday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Ice accumulations between 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 of an inch. Isolated amounts up to 3/4 of an inch can't be ruled out. In addition, sleet and snow accumulations between 1 and 3 inches with amounts near or above 5 inches near the Red River are also possible. The areas affected include North Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 p.m. Friday to noon Central Standard Time Sunday. Impacts: the strong winds and weight of snow on tree limbs may down power lines and could cause sporadic power outages. Significant ice accumulation on power lines and tree limbs may cause widespread and long-lasting power outages. Expect power outages and tree damage due to the ice. Travel could be impossible. Have an emergency kit ready in case of power outages. Check on vulnerable friends and family. Consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Take a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. The latest road conditions can be found at drivetexas.org.